whoever that person is that you're like, wow, I really love you. Like, I have so much love for you. Talk to yourself that same way, the exact same way. I think we're very hard on ourselves sometimes. I mean, I do it all the time. I'm like my worst critic. But
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, welcome to my channel. I'm doing my lashes. I'm currently doing my lashes. I'm going to a content creator event or meetup that is happening in Mafeking. I'm still doing my lashes. Yeah. We're supposed to leave at 9:30 because my friend said 9:30. But my Joseph said I must give her another hour. I'm like, this is anything. So yeah, I'm gonna leave with my race mates, Chantal, and then we're going to Mega City to buy things that we will need. And we're gonna board from Mega City to where we're going. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when I'm done doing my lashes. Guys, I wanna show you my outfit. My tripod is no longer stable. Yeah, I genuinely don't like that door. My bed is a mess. Just go and judge. I'm wearing this top, long sleeve, these jeans, those six, and then just like that even. Yeah, and it's tight, like it's not tight. Sure. My bed is a mess because I was packing my bag. And also, I'm going with this fleece because we're gonna be sitting on this fleece. And I see the scarf on my hair around my neck. Mama, kasi niya na po. Kasi like we decided I don't have my jacket on. And I'm gonna carry this bag. I have paint. I have pure paint. That's why I get it. Well, I don't know if I should put on my glasses. Should I? Should I put on my glasses and get into the senior one? Get it right. I think I'm going to senior one. Because, okay, let me show you how I look at the glasses. Oh, please forgive the thing. The sound is like that. Ilo, Ilo. The hate I am. I can't eat it, guys. But in the thing is, if I don't put my glasses on, when I come back, so I'm better. You can't. I think I'm gonna follow it this way. Yeah. Still waiting for my friends. Guys, like I don't have water. Water can get cold. I'm gonna have to drink water, and then this is the last water that I have. I cannot make. I just felt that this will feel and the Bible has success. Actually, there's a modern text. Says I need text Monday. Bible class on Sunday. I'm gonna try to text them, or when I come back. Unless, cause then people are more one. I think when I come back, there's a more funny with the days. Cause I have like 1, 2, 3, 4 empty water bottles. You know, and I need water. I love my nails, guys. To tell you that 2 minutes. To tell you guys that I didn't like them at first when I did them because they're short. After I saw what is in vision, I was like, I don't like them anymore because I wanted longer set. But I love them. Sure, guys. Let's go to the first meetup Yama content creators as the game. Also, I took my paint tablets because I have pure paint and I'm on my periods. I took paint tablets. I just hope my mood won't be when I'm there. I just want to be happy. Ciao. Ushantela afuna vlog.
oh, Sibahle, guys.
Vlog.
I am vlogging.
Hi.
Wait.
Lang mamujara ikaw fila kama hita manila rapakita Unilever corporate imalema osaka garista takalwe osaka garista seman tibiteri naga sama lesket skepesela sali raftet seman cash come down shut my pump dang what I'm gonna cash come down Maradona ke stamp.
Ay man. Asambe wena.
Ngiyakudla.
Hayi wena man.
Ngiyakudla.
Sikhala mapi, SID. Obeka phezulu lemafi. Chima makonye kepali. Sesitafaki ile line. Sikhala mapi, SID. Obeka phezulu lemafi. Chima makonye kepali. Sesitafaki ile line. Bayiteki izolo. Bayifuna chima ngompingo. Papa seyibhenyiwe nezolo. Ama phezulu. Bayifuna igijima ngompingo abasengenyiwe nezolo
Mayinginyoso ola ikola adala athi pirimaru.
We're done. My social battery nayo iphelile. Ngingaphansi bafazi.
Let's get you.
Manish on the beach, shebang. All of my ops, they dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't. Thinking and trying me do like Bryson. Said this nigga don't. Can I forgive?
That's it.
You're gonna open the window at the back, you're gonna order everything.
Yeah, I'm sending it. Sure.
And therefore, you.
Thank you, my sister.
The night can end already, yeah. I'm already tired. Someone is calling me.
Phone yamin keke out due to storage, but I'm taking this Jenna Manch. Oh, guys, I don't know if this angle is sharp. My face looks fat. And I'm drinking this in a 10. What are the instructions? Like you're drinking out of the bottle. Hi guys, I hope you guys are good and taking care of yourselves. So this segment specifically is, I don't even know what to say honestly, but I want to explain my reason for disappearing on the Red app for such a long time. The last video that I posted was in December. Yeah, December after Umbam Kanam. That was the last vlog I posted. However, I did vlog because kwaba khona involved emakhaya ngavlog but I didn't post, and then kwaba unyaka omusha. I'm just gonna insert clips now as I speak. And then kwaba unyaka omusha, everything went south. When I say everything went south, I lost my funding. NSFAS rejected me on the 7th of February. Like yabonga yolanga ngazi. Like, I don't really know. I'm still asking myself. Like, my heart got shattered on the 7th of Feb. I lost my funding. I didn't have accommodation. I couldn't register. Like, and I just didn't know what to do. And it didn't make sense for me to vlog, whereas I am going through it, really. And what was crazy was the fact that I'm doing my final year, like final year. And lento leyenzeka, guys, like I can't even explain it now. Looking back, I'm just like, oh, I'm grateful that I survived that. I'm just grateful that I survived first semester, because first semester I had like 5 modules, and all of these modules are my theory, literally theory modules, and they have a lot of concept. So I don't know how I survived, but fast forwarding it, I couldn't attend, guys, because I wasn't registered. Student cards, student cards because I'm not registered, so the system kicked me out completely. And then my parents, I'm so grateful for them. My mom, Wakoki Ballet registration, which was 12,855. I still have the receipts. I'm gonna put it here. And then that was when I could like enter campus cash. I'm typing in. I could use the library, etc. And then that was 4 weeks later. Like abantu besebeqala ukufunda, mina I had to catch up on umsebenzi of 4 weeks. And then okay, I was able to register. I looked for accommodation. I found accommodation, but it's not this race. I used to stay a unit 6, and then I moved. This race is closer to campus. And then after 2 months down the line of me being a self-funded, because my parents paid 12,855 plus 3,700 every month for rent, plus 2,000 for food. How much is that? So every month my baby keep 3.7 rent, 2,000 after 12,000. And then 2 months, like I'm gonna be self-funded for 2 months. And then in April 15, if I'm not mistaken, I'm like, ngididwe reference. What's a reference to the school? And I'm like, hey, I panicked for a few minutes because double allowance, they need to go to the cash office to or you're gonna get in trouble, and this person wasn't gonna do it. And then I went to check my status, because nothing you check status because status and for some rejected. I checked my status, and as far as I don't know how it happened, but it happened after a week of Good Friday. After the week of Good Friday, yes, because the previous Sunday, and then low weekly, and I was literally studying. When I tell what's being food, and I was cutting and get all good, and as far as food, I just couldn't believe it. I was crying, Wafazi, I was crying. But I'm really grateful for the opportunity to be funded again. And also because this money was a lot. 3.7 plus 2,000, that's a lot. 5.7 every month. I'm not the only child, you need to bear that in mind. But I'm just grateful and that I passed my modules first semester. I'm just left with 2 modules this semester. And I'm just hoping for the best, and I can't thank God enough, honestly, because what he did was a miracle, if you're being honest. Because now I'm excited with the girl, how did that happen? But it did. So that was the reason why I stopped vlogging, because it didn't make sense for me to vlog, whereas I was going through it. And after seeing Ngwatilo register, I was just focused on my studies because I didn't want any distractions. So people kept asking me, when are you vlogging? When is your vlog coming up? And I'm like, 2nd semester. And they're like, girl. But I'm back now, guys. I'm back. And I'm really looking forward to my vlogging, so I'll post that and stuff. And I hope that you guys do accept me once again after a break. I hope you do accept me back.